Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. And on this episode, we have another smoothie for your hair and beard growth. And we call this smoothie the Hulk. That's right. So, before we get into the ingredients and the demonstration on how to perform or execute this smoothie, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Let's go. Now, before we get into the demonstration, I'm going to give you some benefits that you can find in this particular smoothie. One being that it has vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. You're going to find folate and a bunch of other minerals and vitamins. This is going to be important for liver function. It also has fiber, which is going to aid in helping you with your digestive system. And it has one particular vitamin that I like to point out, and that's vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps activate the enzymes and the chemical reaction that begins to create the protein for hair and beard growth. All in the smoothie. So let's go ahead and get into the demonstration. All right, guys, so here we go with the ingredients. This is super quick, super easy. You need 2 handfuls of spinach. Yeah, I mean, spinach Popeye. You understand? You're gonna get strong today. You're gonna get strong. You know what I'm saying? You wanna get everything. You wanna get everything. All right? Bam. Then we're gonna do a half a cup, right? That's 8 ounces of water. I'm saying you gotta get your measurements right. There you go. Get your measurements. Get your measurements. And we're gonna blend first. We're gonna blend. Crush ice. When you thought it wasn't gonna blend. Then, next you wanna put an avocado. Fresh. Alright, you wanna put your nice little boop, dee-doo. You know what I'm talking about? Boop, dee-doo. Crush ice. Hey, you want get this, get a close up, go. Get a close up. Next, grapes. And you want about 15 grapes specifically. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of water in there. You know what I'm talking about? You ain't gonna get this on the health show, the health cooking show. You ain't gonna get this on, your boy B. You dig what I'm saying? So then next, we want 3 celery sticks, okay? You know what I'm talking about? Just like that. Pop those in there. Just like that. Pop those in there, you know what I'm saying? And last but not least, lime. What would you do without the lime? So you're gonna take a whole lime, you know what I'm saying? And you're just gonna squeeze it in there. Squeeze. Use all your hand muscles. You know what I'm talking about? Work your hand muscles. And blend. All right, and last but not least, before we finish, we thought we was finished, but we wasn't finished. We gotta put the apples in there, okay? So you wanna get 2 apples, 2 whole apples, all right? And you wanna just toss those apples in there, all right? Yeah. Sometimes you gotta add a little bit of water, so make sure, even though it say half a cup, not always exact, right? So sometimes you gotta throw a little bit more water in there just to help it out, and we back at it. Crush ice. And there you have it. So let's go ahead and have a taste test. Tastes better than milk. I'll tell you that much. It does. Yo, fellas and ladies, this is the jam, the Hawk Smoothie. The ingredients, the recipe will be down in the description. Go check it out, try it, let me know what you think. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite smoothie? With that said, this is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy, and I'll see you on the next episode. As always, I'm out.